Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on Perplexity AI, your ultimate tool for deep research and mastering NLP tasks. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just curious about AI, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive in. What is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is an advanced AI-powered search engine and research assistant. It goes beyond traditional search by providing direct, accurate, and well-referenced answers using natural language processing. Think of it as a smart research partner that understands context and delivers high-quality insights in seconds. To access Perplexity AI, simply go to perplexity.ai in your browser. No login is required to start, but signing up gives you access to history, pro features, and more personalized results. Once on the home page, you'll see a simple search bar. Type any question or topic, like quantum computing basics or top trends in NLP, and Perplexity instantly provides an answer with real-time citations. On the right, you'll see follow-up suggestions to dig deeper. Below the answer, source links are displayed. You can click them to verify or explore more. This is what makes Perplexity AI perfect for research. It's transparent and trustworthy. Now let's explore how to use Perplexity for deep research. Ask detailed or layered questions like, compare GPT-4 with other LLMs in healthcare applications. Perplexity doesn't just summarize, it analyzes and connects relevant points from multiple sources. You can also use follow-up prompts to refine your query, making it an interactive learning experience. Another powerful tip, use the focus mode in Pro to narrow down sources like scholarly articles or specific websites. This is ideal for academic writing and thesis research. If you're working with NLP, Perplexity can be a huge help. Ask it to explain concepts like named entity recognition or transformers in NLP. It breaks down complex jargon into simple terms, perfect for beginners. You can also use it to explore code snippets, tools, and NLP frameworks like Spacey, NLTK, or Hugging Face. Just type in what you need help with, and it'll fetch contextual answers. With Perplexity Pro, you unlock GPT-4 Turbo, image generation, file uploads, and more advanced controls. It's great if you're doing in-depth projects, writing papers, or exploring multi-step reasoning tasks. Here are a few final tips. Use specific questions for better answers. Check the sources before citing. Use follow-ups to drill deeper. And experiment. It's the best way to learn. Perplexity AI is like having a 24/7 research assistant. It's fast, smart, and perfect for anyone diving into deep topics or learning NLP. Thanks for watching this beginner's tutorial on Perplexity AI. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.